Even though the canvas was already stretched on a frame, it was just missing something. I thought I would just buy a floating frame, but was quickly surprised at just how expensive the floating frames are, at least $200. So I went to Hobby Lobby to pick this up and see what I could do myself. I found this rustic frame for $25 and knew with just the right tools and a little bit of TLC I could make it work since my decor was much more modern. I grabbed some wood putty, some sandpaper, and a wax crayon and got to work. I began by sanding the edges of the frame to remove the excess rough edges. Then I used wood putty to fill in some of the rustic holes so that when I painted it, it was a smooth, more modern finish. I used the edge of a screwdriver to remove some of the excess putty. I used the wax crayon to fill in some of the smaller holes. And now just a little bit more sanding and we'll be ready to paint. And now it's time to paint. I painted the back first, making sure that everything was covered, using a black matte spray paint for the finish that I was looking for. And now I wait for the paint to dry before framing. And now that the paint's dry, I can get to work mounting my canvas in the new frame. To attach the canvas to the frame, I grabbed a few nails and nailed the frame and the canvas together. And now what was a simple looking canvas on a plain white wall is much more striking with a modern yet earthy rustic feel.